Hello students, through this video we are going to start chapter number 15 and the name of the chapter is triangles. So first let us talk about what is a triangle. So triangle is a closed figure having three sides. So triangle always have three sides, that is in this figure we have side AB, BC and CA. And triangle always have three angles. In this we have angle A, angle B and angle C. Now if three sides join together then it form vertices. So we can say that triangle have three vertices, and here we have three vertices, that is A, B and C. Now let us talk about some basic concept related to the chapter which we will use in this chapter. Now first one is interior angles. So as we can see here, this is the triangle having three vertices, that is A, B and C. So in this way we have three angles, and this angle is known as interior angle. So angle A, angle B and angle C are interior angles. Now we have the property of interior angle, that is sum of interior angle of triangle is equals to 180 degree. So here we have to remember that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. Now the next topic is exterior angle. So when we produce any one side of a triangle, here I am going to produce side BC to D. So in this way we got another angle, that is angle ACD, and this angle ACD is known as exterior angle. So here exterior angle is equals to angle ACD. Now next topic is interior opposite angle. So when we produce any one side of a triangle and form an exterior angle, that is angle ACD. So the angle opposite to exterior angle are known as interior opposite angle. So here the angle opposite to angle ACD are angle A and angle B. So we can say that angle A and angle B are interior opposite angles. Now we have a relationship between exterior angles and interior opposite angles. So this is a triangle ABC in which BC is produced to D. So in this way we have an exterior angle, that is angle ACD, and interior opposite angle, that is angle A and angle B. So there is a property known as exterior angle property, that is exterior angle is always equals to sum of interior opposite angle. So here angle ACD is an exterior angle which is equals to sum of interior opposite angle, that is angle A and angle B. I hope now you all have understood these basic concepts related to the chapter, which will help in exercise 15A. So let us take some questions related to the exercise 15A. Now question number 1 is, state if the triangles are possible with the following angles. So here I am taking the second part, and the angles are 40 degree, 130 degree and 20 degree. So in this question we have to tell that is it possible to form a triangle having these three angles. So for that, first of all we have to add the given angles. So here 40 degree plus 130 degree plus 20 degree. When we add them, then we have 130 plus 20, 150, and 150 plus 40, 190 degree. So which is not equals to 180 degree. So we can say that triangle is not possible, because a triangle is possible only when the sum of interior angle is equals to 180 degree. But here the sum of interior angle is equals to 190 degree. So we can say that the formation of triangle is not possible. Next, question number 2 is, if the angles of a triangle are equal, find the angle. So first of all, make a rough figure. This is the triangle ABC, and in the question we have given all the angles of triangle are equal. That is, angle A is equals to angle B is equals to angle C. And let it be these all angles are equal to X. So we know the property of triangle, which says that sum of interior angle is equals to 180 degree. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. So here we have taken angle ABC as X. So put the value here, X plus X plus X, which is equals to 180 degree. Now X plus X plus X, we have 3X, which is equals to 180 degree. Now after solving this, we have the value of X, that is 60 degree. So at the very first we have taken all the angle is equals to X. So angle A is equals to 60 degree, angle B is equals to 60 degree, and angle C is equals to 60 degree. So in this way we have our answer. Now the next question is question number 5. Calculate the unknown marked angles in each figure. So here we have a figure in which this is the unknown angle, which is A degree. This angle is 40 degree, and this is the marked angle, and this symbol shows that this is a right angle, means 90 degree. So as we know that the sum of interior angle of triangle is equals to 180 degree. So here we have to add all the three angles, that is A degree plus 90 degree plus 40 degree, and it should be equals to 180 degree. Now solve it and find the value of unknown angle, that is A degree 90 plus 40, 130 degree, which is equals to 180 degree. Now A degree is equals to 180 minus 130, which is equals to 50 degree. So this is our answer.